Hello, friends. Welcome back. In part 2, we are going to continue the remaining paragraphs of the same lesson, the fun they had. Friends, as usual, before going to start the actual lesson, it's very important to have a glimpse on the new words in the lesson. So, let me highlight the new words. Loftily means airily or in a superior tone. In Marathi, चढेलपणाने. बेचा means surely or bet you. In Marathi, नक्कीच किंवा पैजेने. Dispute means argue or quarrel with. वाद घालणे किंवा वादविवाद करणे. Nonchalantly means in an indifferent or cool manner without showing interest. In Marathi, विशेष आस्था न दाखविता. Next one, tucked means folded, that is घडी घालणे. Next one is arithmetic means figures, अंकगणित, like this. Fractions means divide, अपूर्णांक, like 1.5, 1/4. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago, he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully. Centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Friends, here both Margie and Tommy discuss about the real school. Centuries ago, Tommy tells her about such school. Margie is totally unknown about it. She doesn't believe that such schools could be centuries ago. She reads the book and comes to know that the students before centuries ago had a teacher. She is surprised that how a man could be a teacher. She doesn't believe. They both discuss about the homework, the test, and interaction between the teacher and the students. She is not ready to accept that the real teacher is as clever as her mechanical teacher. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, मार्जी आणि टॉमी हे दोघेही मित्र शतकांपूर्वीच्या शाळेविषयी चर्चा करत असतात. परंतु या शाळेविषयी तिला काहीच माहीत नसते. ती शाळा, ते खरे शिक्षक हे पूर्वी होते यावर तिचा विश्वास बसत नाही. तिला खूप आश्चर्य वाटते. विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षक यांच्यातील संवाद, गृहपाठ, परीक्षा हे सर्व ऐकून तिला आश्चर्य वाटते. तिला असे वाटते की कदाचित खरे शिक्षक आणि यांत्रिक शिक्षक यांच्या जर तुलना केली तर यांत्रिक शिक्षकच हुशार असतात असं तिचं एक मत होते. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट. He knows almost as much, I betcha. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. and all the kids learn the same things? Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Friends, Tommy says surely that the real teacher were enough smart, but Marzi doesn't want to dispute at all. She says that she will not want a strange man in her own house to teach her at all. But Tommy tells her that the teachers didn't live in the houses. He says that further, they had a special building and all the students went there. Margie asks many questions, surprisingly, about each and everything, like learning the same things, same age. And Tommy replies that the students learned the same things and they were the same age. And one more thing, they adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, टॉमीने मार्जीच्या मनातील सर्व शंका दूर करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. मार्जीला असे वाटते की ते शिक्षक प्रत्यक्षात घरी येऊन शिकवतात, परंतु टॉमी म्हणतो ते घरी येत नसतात, ते शाळेत असतात. शाळा ही संकल्पना तो तिला स्पष्ट करून सांगतो की एक इमारत असते, त्यामध्ये एकाच वयाचे विद्यार्थी एका वर्गात एकत्रित असतात. शिक्षक त्यांना शिकवतात, शिक्षक त्यांना गृहपाठ देतात, त्यांच्यात सुसंवाद असतो. हे सर्व तो तिला व्यवस्थित समजावून सांगत असतो. कालांतराने मात्र तो आणखीन काहीसा असं सांगतो की ते शिक्षक विद्यार्थ्याच्या वयोमानाप्रमाणे त्यांना अभ्यास देतात. हे सर्व तिला ऐकून आश्चर्य वाटतं. Okay friend, next. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called, Margie, school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Friends, Margie gets interest in reading the book about those funny schools. Meanwhile, her mother calls her to be ready for school. Anyway, Margie asks Tommy to read the book after school. He says yes in an indifferent manner. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, त्या पुस्तकाविषयी मार्जीच्या मनामध्ये कुतूहल निर्माण होतं. तिला ते पुस्तक पुन्हा पुन्हा वाचावेसे वाटते. दोघांचं संभाषण चालू असतानाच मिसेस जोन्स म्हणजे मार्जीची आई तिला हाक मारतात व म्हणतात की मार्जी, तुझ्या शाळेची आता वेळ झालेली आहे आणि तयार हो. त्याच वेळेला ती म्हणते की त्याच्याही शाळेची वेळ झालेली आहे, त्यालाही तयार होऊ दे. हे सर्व झाल्यानंतर ती त्याला पुन्हा म्हणते की हे पुस्तक मला शाळा संपल्यानंतर वाचायला देशील का. तो बेपर्वाईने किंवा अविचाराने म्हणतो की ठीक आहे, काय हरकत नाही, तू ते वाचू शकतेस. ओके फ्रेंड, नेक्स्ट वन. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said little girls learned better if they learn at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." Friends, Margie again goes into the schoolroom as usual, which is right next to her bedroom. The mechanical teacher is on and waiting for her. She attends the school every day except Saturday and Sunday. She learns arithmetic lessons is on the addition of proper fractions and she inserts yesterday's homework in the proper slot. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, मार्जी तिच्या बेडरूमला लागून असणाऱ्याच खोलीमध्ये ती जाते. तिचा यांत्रिक शिक्षक तिची वाटच पाहत असतो आणि नेहमीप्रमाणे तो काही लेसन्स तिला शिकवत असतो. मार्जी आठवड्यातून शनिवार आणि रविवार सोडून बाकीचे सर्व दिवस ती स्कूल अटेंड करते. तिचा यांत्रिक शिक्षक मेकॅनिक टीचर ॲरिथमेटिक लेसनमधील ॲडिशन हा प्रकार, ॲडिशन्स आणि प्रॉपर फ्रॅक्शन्स हा प्रकार तो शिकवतो आणि त्याच वेळेला कालचाही अभ्यास तो तिला इन्सर्ट करायला लावतो. Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions 1.5 and 1/4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Friends, she's thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolrooms, going home together at the end of the day, learning the same things, helping each other with homework and talking about it. While at the same time, her mechanical teacher flashes on the screen. Now Margie is thinking about how the kids, the students must have loved it in the olden days. She is thinking about the fun they had. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, या सर्वांचा मार्जी खूप विचार करत असते. तिला ते आठवतात तिच्या आजोबांचे आजोबा जेव्हा लहान होते तेव्हाची गोष्ट तिला आठवते की त्यावेळेला सर्व मुले एकत्र शाळेला जायची, शाळा सुटल्यानंतर एकत्र घरी यायची. शाळेत असतानाची त्यांची ती मजा, त्यांची ती दंगामस्ती, त्यांचा तो होमवर्क, त्यांचं ते एकत्र शिकणं, एकमेकांना मदत करणं, अभ्यासाविषयी चर्चा करणं, हे सर्व काही ऐकून तिला खूप आश्चर्य वाटतं. त्याच वेळेला ह्या सर्वांचा विचार करत असतानाच तिचा मेकॅनिकल टीचर तिला अभ्यास देतो. परंतु त्याही वेळी ती या सर्वांचा विचार करत असते की ती विद्यार्थी, तेव्हाचे विद्यार्थी किती मजा केली असतील. खरंच ती म्हणते की त्यांनी मजेत घालवलेला वेळ त्याला कुठेही तोड नाही. पूर्वीच्या काळी मुलांना हे सर्व किती आवडत असेल याचा मार्जी विचार करू लागली. त्यांनी मजेत घालवलेला वेळ याबद्दलही ती पुन्हा पुन्हा विचार करू लागली. Okay friends, what we learn in both the parts? Just a recap. The story is set in future when books and schools as we have now perhaps will not exist. The students of that period, about 150 years advanced from today, find a printed book. They are surprised very much. They talk about the schools and books of all of the old period. They compare those schools with those of their own, which are situated in their homes and have mechanical teachers to teach them. They find their own schools dull and boring. They think that it was great fun to study in the schools of old times when all the kids in the area went there to learn the same things by a man teacher, means a real teacher. Friends, I think all of you have understood this story very well. It's my humble request to all of you to listen these both parts of this lesson again and again. Read the text again and again. I hope you will read it. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.